Hello friends. So all India Institutes of Medical Science have released its notice on dated 3rd of April 2025 regarding the conduct of CBT for remaining group post for CRE examination 2024. As you can see, the reference to advertisement notice 171 by 25 and 58 by 25 that is released on 13/3/2025. The application of CRE. They are hereby to inform the examination for the group post. You can see the group post here 13, 16, 28, 43, 45, 55 and 43 is the group post for physiotherapist. Yes, 43 is a group post for physiotherapist that will be conducted on the 17th of April 2025 Thursday. So the AIMS has released notification that the exam for the group post of physiotherapy that is 43 will be conducted on 17 April 2025. And the examination city will be notified 1 week prior to examination, and details regarding exam center reporting time will be provided in admit card as well. And the candidate can download their concerned admit card 3 days before the CBT examination. So all applicants were already given opportunity to withdraw their application under situation accordingly, but the candidate who don't actively withdraw an application was not rejected for any reason, and by default they will be considered for CBT mode examination. So this released from AIMS regarding CRE. For crash course or entrance, please call us on +9564736713 or AIMS Physio Entrance 2023 @gmail.com. Thank you.